When your DeWalt battery refuses to charge, systematic diagnosis is key to identifying the problem quickly and effectively. Start with the fundamentals. Verify your charger is properly plugged into a working electrical outlet. Test the outlet with another device if necessary. Next, inspect the battery terminals. Dirty or corroded terminals prevent proper electrical connection. Clean them with a dry cloth or fine sandpaper if needed. Understanding LED indicators is crucial for diagnosis. The charger's lights communicate exactly what's happening during the charging process. A blinking red light means the battery is actively charging. A solid red light indicates charging is complete and the battery is ready to use. A yellow light signals a temperature issue. The battery may be too hot or too cold to charge safely. Let it reach room temperature before trying again. No lights at all typically indicates a charger malfunction. Red and yellow lights blinking together signal a charging issue that requires troubleshooting. Finally, ensure the battery is fully seated in the charger. A loose connection can prevent charging even when everything else is working correctly. These diagnostic steps will help you identify most DeWalt battery charging issues. Understanding LED indicators and checking connections systematically saves time and prevents unnecessary repairs. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, the issue likely lies with your battery's internal protection systems. The Battery Management System, or BMS, is designed to protect your battery but sometimes needs to be reset. The Battery Management System is a sophisticated electronic circuit that monitors and controls every aspect of your battery's operation. It prevents overcharging, over-discharging, and manages temperature to keep your battery safe. When the BMS detects a problem or the battery becomes deeply discharged, it may refuse to charge as a safety measure. This is where jump-starting becomes necessary to reset the system. Connect the positive terminal of the charged battery to the positive terminal of the dead battery and negative to negative. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds, then try charging normally. This brief connection can reset the BMS and allow charging to resume. Another component that may need resetting is the current interrupt device, or CID. This acts like a circuit breaker inside each battery cell, tripping when it detects dangerous conditions like excessive pressure or temperature. Resetting the CID requires careful disassembly of the battery pack and is not recommended for most users. The process involves locating the small button-like device and gently pressing it to reset the circuit. If these advanced troubleshooting methods don't resolve the issue, or if you're uncomfortable performing them, it's time to contact DeWalt customer service or take your battery to a qualified repair technician. Advanced troubleshooting can often revive a seemingly dead DeWalt battery, but always prioritize safety over saving money. When in doubt, seek professional assistance to avoid potential hazards.